Did you know that sound travels over 4 times faster in ocean water than in air? Here's why. Water molecules are packed much closer together than air molecules, allowing sound waves to pass their energy along more efficiently. In the ocean, sound zips by at about 1,500 meters per second, compared to just 343 meters per second in air. Pressure and temperature also play a role. Deeper, colder water slows sound a bit, while warmer, shallower water speeds it up. So next time you think of ocean depths, remember, sound moves there at record speed.